Welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. The UK Home Office has made a recent announcement that they are going to replace the existing residence permit cards with this new visa we are going to tell you. And this is going to be effective from 1st January 2025, meaning you have all the time to use your current residence permit now and prepare for a change in January 2025. But before we delve into this, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to always be informed when we publish new updates. Without any further delay, let's begin. By 2025, Britain is set to ditch physical immigration status documents such as biometric residence permits and biometric residence cards (BCRC) in a bid to make its borders digital, which is in line with developed countries like Australia. Understand what the new Home Office development means for existing BRP and BC holders and what evisas to replace biometric residence cards. Presently, students, workers, immigrants and their dependents from non-EU countries residing in the UK are eventually issued biometric residence permits (PERBs), which are proof of their immigration status in the country. Much like e-passports, these plastic cards contain a chip that can be used by a border force officer to cryptographically verify the authenticity of the document itself and a person's identity via biometrics, facial photograph and fingerprints stored in that chip. All UKB issued up until today are set to expire December 31, 2024, even if your immigration status is valid beyond that date or has no time limit on it. Permanent residence with an indefinite leave. The reason for this being, while the UK was a part of the European Union (EU), regulations required the government to implement next-generation encryption technology into its immigration documents, and as such the UK planned on rolling out enhanced cards after the end of this year, while phasing existing ones out. Since post-Brexit, however, EU requirements no longer apply to the UK and the Home Office has decided to discontinue BPs altogether by 2020. You will not need a BP from 1 January 2025. You'll be able to prove your immigration status online without a BRP, reads a web page on the gov.uk website. Advantages and disadvantages. An evisa is an electronic record of a person's immigration status and provides customers with the ability to view and prove their immigration status digitally, explains Home Office. It removes the need for physical documents, such as the Biometric Residence Permit (DPP) Inc., stamps and visa vignette stickers in a customer's passport or the biometric residence card. This also saves an applicant the inconvenience associated with submitting their physical passport to a consulate for visa issuance, waiting for weeks, and subsequently arranging its collection. Despite their drawbacks, a key advantage of physical documents, especially chip-based ones, is their ability to be reliably verified offline, given the basics of public key encryption. When combined with security features such as UV holograms and watermarks built into these documents, the dependence on an always online system is practically eliminated. What will the new process look like? Because we are already in February, those with BRP cards expiring over the next few months may be wondering what they need to do. Bleeping Computer reached out to the Home Office to better understand the upcoming changes and what will the new process to prove and renew immigration status look like. Evisas provide secure confirmation of someone's UK immigration status and make it easier for those who need to check status, such as employers and landlords, via online services, a Home Office spokesperson told Bleeping Computer. Replacing physical immigration documents with evisas by 2025 is a key part of the transformation and digitization of the border and immigration system, delivering enhanced security and cost savings for the UK public and greater convenience for customers and status checkers. UK accounts to open for all. Our understanding is that the physical biometric cards and printed visa stickers will entirely be replaced by e-visas, similar to the ones issued by Australia, where immigrants currently use the Visa Entitlement Verification online EVVO system to prove their status digitally. Similarly, this year, existing UK BP holders and others who hold immigration status will be able to register for a UKFI online account to access their evisa. For a few years now, proving your right to work to an employer or your right to rent to a landlord has already been a digital process conducted through the Gov UK website by using details from your physical document. Furthermore, millions of people with a new settled status or those who have used the UK Immigration IJEX app already hold a UKFI account and use e-visas to prove their right to enter and live in the UK. The upcoming changes are expected to extend these conveniences to nationals of all countries. Further information on this will be made available in due course. An evisa, much like a physical BP, will be securely linked to its holder's unique biometric information to safeguard against identity fraud. Home Office customers, including existing BRP and physical document holders, should monitor www.uwc-evisa over the next few months for upcoming information on what they need to do. And while the UK government is on track to deliver a digital border and immigration system, including plans to trial contactless entry using just facial recognition, there are no plans at the moment to replace physical passports with digital equivalents, such as those piloted by Finland. Bleeping Computer understands. We hope this helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to always be notified when we publish new updates.